Hello, in this test we are going to see an example of getting all the selected option from a multi-select drop-down. So this is the property all selected options of a selected class that we are going to use. Right now I do not have multi-select drop-down, so I'm trying to show you uh, which property is doing the task. So all selected option is the property. So what we are doing, we are clicking on drop down link and then selecting no selected options and then so what we are trying to do, let's select an option from a drop down using select first option. Let's let's create a reference, paste or select, and then we can use drop down dot select by index 1, and then we can get all selected option. In this case we have selected only one option, that is at index 1, and then this method will return all the selected options. In this case only one web element will be returned, and we will get options. And let's try to count length of this options list. Uh, by the way, this returns list of web elements, right? So we will print length of selected options, how many results return, and then we will try to select options. Let's get its value. Get attribute dot dot zeroth element dot get attribute. Here we are trying to get value of it. So let's run it. So in the case of multi-select drop-down, if user has selected multiple options, so all those options will be returned as a list of web elements, and we can consume that. So here we can see option 1 is selected. Let me show you. Its value is should be 1. Yeah, its value should be 1. Not here. Oh, it's below, right? Yeah, it's value 1. So that's it. Thank you.